Hey people, so I come here to, so that my little animals get a place to be. And I'm just so happy and grateful that I'm here. And it's the first time ever of these baby rabbits at this little park. And yeah, they deserve all the happiness in the world. Yeah, these animals are so kind and so we humans are just useless, yeah, compared to these animals, because they are, and we call them animals when in fact we are the animals who cause so much destruction to the planet. Look at those baby ones there, and that's the mother rabbit. No, that's the daddy rabbit, I think. Or yeah, no, the mother rabbit is the white one in the center. So this feels good, and I'm just so glad I'm here. And another 10 seconds I'll have to stop recording, otherwise people will wonder what I'm recording. But yeah, this is just so nice. It's just, I wish I could tell you which building this is, but that's not. So yeah, this is in Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.